In this video, you're going to learn one of the best ways to make your jewelry designs stand out from the crowd. This is an approach I teach in the second module of my upcoming e-course, Jewelry Design Joy. Most beginning and intermediate metalsmiths take a ton of classes and learn as many techniques as they can. This is a great way to build your skills, but it can also lead to your designs being driven by the skills you know. And the problem with this approach is that your work can tend to look a bit like everyone else's who uses the same techniques that you do. This can be super frustrating because I know you want your work to feel like yours and yours alone. Here's the biggest tip I know for making your work stand out. It's putting your own twist on a jewelry making technique or skill. When you look at successful jewelry designers and artists, you see this a lot. Polly Wales is an excellent example. She created a new way to cast stones in place. It's a totally unique look, and her work has exploded in the past few years. When you adapt or transform an existing technique in this way, it gives your work a unique and distinctive aesthetic. But how do you put a twist on a technique? You experiment. You think about the particular properties of the materials you're using and the techniques that you know for working with them. Each kind of metal and material has unique things you can do with it. You can fuse fine silver. Copper gives awesome heat patinas and works great with fold forming. You get the idea. Play around and see how you can change the results you get by altering the process a bit. Change the timing, combine elements in a different way. Perhaps you can even combine two different techniques to create a new effect. The transformations and combinations of materials and techniques that you use will become signatures of your work. This is when you get the wonderful experience of someone seeing your jewelry somewhere and knowing right away that it's yours. Now that you've learned how putting your unique twist on a jewelry making technique is a great way to help your work stand out, you'll be able to start developing a design style that also stands out as uniquely yours. But that alone isn't sufficient to define your design vision. To learn more about what it takes to develop your unique vision, I'm sharing my PDF, 3 Secrets for Developing Your Signature Style, with you for free. Just click the link below to get access. Happy jewelry making!